Did you know that copper can reverse gray hair naturally? Our hair turns gray when the pigment cells in our hair follicles called melanocytes start to die off. As the melanocytes diminish, our hair begins to lose its color, leading to those strands of gray. But here's where copper comes into play. This vital mineral is a key player in the production of melanin, the pigment that gives our hair its color. A study published in the European Journal of Dermatology found a significant link between copper and the reversal of gray hair. It seems that copper helps to stimulate the production of melanin, thus potentially restoring hair's natural color over time. In essence, copper may be giving our hair follicles a much-needed boost, reinvigorating the melanocytes and helping to bring back the color we've lost. So copper seems to be a promising solution to the age-old problem of graying hair. Now you might be wondering, how can I add copper to my diet? Well, it's simpler than you'd think. Incorporating a specific copper supplement into your daily routine can do wonders. A recommended dosage is 2 milligrams per day. But remember, always consult your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. But supplements aren't the only way to get your copper fix. Mother Nature has blessed us with a variety of copper-rich foods that you can easily incorporate into your meals. Foods like beef liver, sunflower seeds, lentils, almonds, dark chocolate, and shellfish are all excellent sources of copper. But how much should you eat? Well, a half-cup serving of cooked beef liver, for instance, provides around 200% of the daily recommended copper intake. A quarter cup of sunflower seeds or almonds can knock out about 30% of your daily copper needs. Remember, your body needs a balanced diet, so don't overdo it with copper-rich foods. So, how long will it take for you to regain your hair color naturally? Now, that's the million-dollar question. The answer, however, isn't as straightforward as you might hope. It largely depends on the individual's metabolic rate, the current state of their hair, and their overall health. But with a consistent intake of the right amount of copper, you might start noticing changes within a few weeks to a few months. Remember, everyone's body responds differently to dietary changes and supplements. So, while copper has been shown to reverse gray hair, results can vary from person to person. It's also important to note that too much copper can lead to toxicity, so it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement routine. And there you have it, a natural remedy for gray hair right at your fingertips. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Stay healthy, stay informed.